Hi guys! So today me and my mom are gonna make healthy juice, and here are the fruits, and we have papaya, cucumber, pineapple, carrots, apple, and oranges. And yeah guys, so let's start. That on the bag there will only be thick parts, and on the bowl will only have pure water healthy juice. Look at that, everyone. So nice. So you should do this method. If you don't have a thin cloth bag, you should use a towel or a normal strainer. The method is good to drink, so that you won't get acids in your tummy and you won't get easily hungry. Quick tip is always wear gloves when you touch your fruits, so that your fruits won't get dirty. Repeat the method by straining, juicing, and then you will have your final product. So here, everyone, is the final product. It looks very nice. It looks just like orange juice, but it is more healthier and not processed, and it is very yummy, guys. So please try this out.